Hello everybody, my name is Avery from Frostbite here, and today we're going to be working on Hot Potato version number 2. Here's the rundown. We forgot to do something. I was looking over to make sure that the get block X was right because I'm just stupid. And we forgot to do, we did dumb, let's just say. Right after we set the location, we have to actually save the data folder. Oh no, save data. There we go. We don't want to forget to do that, or we will become stupid and we will not have any friends. Unless that's already happened. If that has, I'm very sorry for you. Alright, so after this update lobby, let's copy and paste it again. And let's do update spec for what? Oh, let's do update spec for spectator. Okay. All this we can keep the same. Let's just change all this to spec. Hey, plugin development fun. Okay, and here we're gonna do update spec location. I mean, no, not Dora. Ooh, come on, Avery. Don't be a nub. Spec. There we go. Spectator. Spectator. Spawn. Okay. None of that done. We can update the end one. Update, end. Basically, we just change this to end. Do. Guys, don't worry. We can test this probably, maybe this episode actually. Probably not this episode, I'm lying. But we're gonna test this next episode. And basically check if all these locations are working. End spawn. Because even if you're the best coder, you're gonna have some errors, so we need to check that these errors aren't gonna happen. So now that we've set the end spawn, sorry, I have congestion right now. We have to set the spawn, the actual spawns. So we're gonna do update spawn. Alright, so basically, what we're gonna do is right before location L, we're gonna do int I equals, oh no, we're gonna do, right after location, we're gonna do int I equals 0. If I is equal, if CSS dot contains, and let's do spawns plural, right? Let's copy this anyways. So, okay, so if it contains that, we're gonna do I is equal CSS dot get int spawns. If it's not, let's do the else. What we're gonna do is CSS dot set spawns. And what we're going to set spawns to is 1. No, 0. Wait, what? No, set that to 1. Wait, no, set that to 0. Ooh, so confused. I am thinking, guys. So if it's 0, it's this late. It's 1:40. I need to think this over. So, okay. I thought it over. So right here we're gonna do I++. Alright, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set spawn, then we're gonna do dot, then we're gonna do two strings things. So I forgot what these are called. Quotes, and we're gonna put I in the middle. And basically, we can just copy this right here. Just just do back and put it there. Basically, nothing really has changed except we added an I. And now at the end here, what we're gonna do is we actually don't have to do this. At the end here, we're just gonna put this here. And voila! Now we have to update spawn. Let's copy this right here and do this. Copy this. You have successfully updated a arena spawn location. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Basically, we need to just copy this one more time, and let's do update. Update power up. Basically, we do all the same things. Oh wait. Ooh, I need to change all these spawn. Spawn, not spawns. Alright. So now right here, we have to have, basically, we changed that. I'm just gonna copy and paste power-ups. I always get stuff wrong here. Okay. Hopefully we did it right this time. Alright, but we're gonna do update power up location. Text.yml. We're gonna do and we've successfully updated a arena power up location. Perhaps 2 words, oh. Looks to me. Now we're gonna have to create a new one of these. Right, let's put it right next to create arena, and we're gonna do toggle enabled. We're gonna do player string whatever, but after the string raw name, we're gonna do boolean enabled. And yada yada, if it's created, yada yada yada, exclamation point there, yada yada yada. But basically, what we're gonna do is set whatever dot disabled to whatever. So basically, they're gonna do slash enabled. No, disabled. We're gonna have this as disabled, and we're gonna put that there. And basically, what we're gonna do is, yeah, Sabrina, but we're gonna send the message and do update, update enabled. You have successfully updated the status of your arena. Exclamation point. Alright. Oh. There's no F there. Okay, game creator, update enabled. And what we're gonna do is, we're actually gonna create a class, but we're not gonna put anything in it. Is game manager inside the game class. And basically, in a hot potato, what we're gonna do is a variable. We're gonna do private game manager private list game manager games equals new array list game manager. This is in the main, just to let you guys. We need to import all of these by just hovering over it and clicking import. Now that we have that, we have to create a getter and setter. Basically, under send message, what we're going to do is public void find game. And we're going to do string name. And right below that, we're going to do public void find game string player. Nope, we're not going to add that yet. We don't need that. But we're going to return, instead of void, we're going to have game manager. We're going to do for game manager gm games if gm.get gm dot actually game manager, where are we? We're gonna make one thing, classes blah blah, we don't care about you classes, variables, we're gonna do a private string name, but name we're gonna create getter and setter, gm dot get name dot equals, we're gonna case name, so if it does, we're gonna return gm. Okay. Then at the end of the for loop, outside of it, we're gonna do null, return null. So now we go back to the game game creator, and we're gonna do right here, right under we send the message, we're gonna do if plugin dot find game raw name is not equal to null. So if it's created, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna have to create something here. Public void shut down game. Disable game, actually. No, shutdown game. We're gonna basically call shutdown game. So plugin dot find game raw game dot shutdown game. There we go. But else, wait, no, what am I doing? Okay, if it's not equal to null and disabled equal to true, else if plugin dot find game raw name is equal to null and disabled is equal to false. So if we're gonna create the game, what we're gonna do is game manager gm equals new game manager. Why are we doing raw name? Should be doing arena name. Game manager, basically plugin and the name I think we're gonna do. Yeah. Basically. So right here we're gonna have to do, in the game manager we're gonna have to do a hot potato plugin. Then under variables we're gonna make a constructor like we've always been doing. Public game manager hot potato plugin. This dot what? Plugin equals plugin? Yes, you are correct. Game manager. And also we're gonna have string arena name. Name, then we're actually gonna have display name. Yeah. But we're gonna do here is we're gonna do init. But we're not gonna do anything with the init yet, but we're gonna do public void init. So that's initiating the arena. Yeah. Let me just create Gamer Center. Is that all we need to do? Oh no, we need to do plugin. No, we're gonna have to do gm.init. Then we're gonna do plugin.get games.add gm. Alright, there we go. So we have finished for this episode, everybody. So we finished the game creator. Next episode, we're going to test out the game creator by creating our commands and testing out the arena. Thank you guys for watching. My name's Avery, and goodbye.